Hello, I'm Paddy Madden, and I'm here outside the old school in Ardclough in County Kildare. This now is the site of the Ardclough Village Centre, and it also houses the Guinness Malt to Vault exhibition. This will be the site for the upcoming Nurturing Wellbeing through Engaging with Nature month by month. This course will take place on the 15th of September and from then on the first Tuesday of every month. This is an ideal site for running the course because it has raised beds, it has a native hedgerow, it has plenty of native trees, it has a wildflower meadow, and it has a bee and butterfly patch. It is also very near the Grand Canal. This will be a non-site, online, ongoing course. It will be suitable for all classes in the primary school and also for transition year students in secondary. And it will have indoor and outdoor elements regarding nature and school gardening. At the end of this course, teachers will have a deep knowledge and confidence and the effective skills to engage in organic gardening month by month and nature in their own schools. They will be able to enhance their school grounds, and they will be able to identify common wildflowers and trees in their locality. The emphasis throughout the course will be on life skills and well-being and also mindfulness. Finally, every week there will be a question session, observation session, which will be an hour long. It will be online for participants who want to find further information on the content of the course. Thank you very much.